The man who pleaded guilty last month in the death of a Helena doctor will spend time in prison. MTN's Jonathan AMBARIAN was in the courtroom for today's sentencing hearing. Jonathan, what can you tell us?
Jessica, Gregg Trude's sentencing hearing today featured emotional testimony from the family of Dr. Eugene Buzz Walton, from Trude's family, and from Trude himself. On Wednesday morning, Lewis and Clark County District Court Judge Mike McMahon announced his sentence for Gregg Trude, who pleaded guilty in the shooting death of Helena doctor Eugene Buzz Walton in October 2018.
Accordingly, it's hereby ordered that Mr. Trude's conviction of the offense of negligent homicide, he shall and is hereby sentenced to the Montana State Prison for 20 years, with all of that time suspended, but for 1,272 days.
The sentence drew emotional reactions from Walton and Trude's family members sitting in the courtroom. McMahon said Trude will serve about 3.5 years, and he won't be eligible for parole until after that. Trude changed his plea last month during a trial for negligent homicide. He admitted his actions had led to Walton's death. Last October, the two men were returning from a hunting trip. Walton was pulling his rifle out of the back of Trude's truck when Trude's rifle went off. Walton was struck near the top of his thigh. He received medical assistance but did not survive. On Wednesday, Walton's family members, including his wife Leslie, testified about the effect his death and Trude's actions have had on them.
In the end, it all comes down to choices, and we all know that you made a bad choice that day. And no one would choose to live the life that you have given me.
Members of Trude's family testified about his character and said he had shown remorse. Then Trude himself spoke, apologizing directly to Walton's family.
I am so sorry that this accident happened. Every day I bear the burden of it, every single day.
Trude's attorneys asked that he not be incarcerated. But McMahon said this sentence was the best way to provide the appropriate punishment and deter others from negligent action. Now, the judge held off on determining any restitution Trude will need to pay. That is set to be decided at a hearing on November 25th. In the studio, I'm Jonathan AMBARIAN, MTN News.
All right, thank you, Jonathan.